Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My returning subscriber, thank you for always tuning into the channel. And if today is your first time watching any of my video, please don't forget to hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, in this today's tutorial, you guys will learn something different. So guys, please stay tuned and keep watching. Do not skip. Please also watch ads. I'm begging you guys, that's the only way you appreciate your girl. So in this today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you guys how to lock natural dread. So guys, I'll be showing you guys how to lock natural dread, and trust me guys, you guys will love the outcome. Please watch from the beginning to the end so that you won't miss any single step of doing this natural dread. So first thing, if you want to lock natural hair, first thing you need to wash the hair thoroughly with your neutralizing shampoo. After that, please don't condition the hair. Don't use conditioner, just use only neutralizing shampoo to wash it thoroughly. And then when you are done with the washing, you go ahead and you apply your oil just to moisturize the scalp. Any kind of your cream, any choice of yours, you can apply to the scalp just to moisturize the scalp. So after that, you go ahead and you begin to section the hair. This particular one, like if you're trying to dread hair, it's always good to use box method, as in the cutting, using box method. If you're using round cutting, the hair will look too scanty, especially if your clients don't have full hair. So you use box cutting so they'll be able to cut it the way you want it. And if you are trying to lock dread, don't cut it too big so that you'll be able to style it and the styling will come out well. Hope you guys understand what I'm saying. So don't make it too big if you're trying to lock natural dread. So now this is where we are going to, you part the hair. After parting it, you use your crochet pin. The other one, not this particular one that I'm using, this one is the knitting pin. The other one that has a pink and yellow, so you use it to lock the roots. Some people will lock dread and the roots will be like, oh my god, it won't be as neat as you are expecting it to be. So guys, if you're a beginner, if you're trying to lock dread, take your time. It's something you can do. Yes, it's just a matter of time. Just take your time and watch the video, then keep on practicing it. You arrive to where you're going to. So first thing, you, after parting it, you use your take comb. You use your take comb to brush it out. The reason why you are brushing it out, just to remove the relaxed parts, in case the hair is relaxed, to remove it away and to make it thick, so that it will help you when you are trying to use your knitting pin. It won't stress you. The hair will lock on time. That's why you need to use your take comb just to brush it down to make it thick from the root. So after that, you lock, after locking the roots, you begin to use this particular knitting pin that I'm using. You use it to lock the body. After locking it, you apply your molding gel. You apply it on the body, but this particular one that I'm doing, I'm using just one gel for locking and molding. Yes, I'm not using different gel. I'm using single, one particular gel for both. That's two in one. So I'm using Kaima hair wax, the regular one, black one. So that's what I'm using. As you can see, it's not the white one. So I'm using the gel as two in one, the locking and the molding. Can you see as I'm doing it, guys? Just take your time and watch. You guys will understand what I'm doing. And this is the pin I'm talking about, the yellow one and the purple. This one has purple color. There's some that have has a orange, or let me say orange, two different colors. So that's the one you use to lock the roots. You use clockwise method. So after that, you begin to use this particular one. So this knitting pin has three different type. There's single mouth, double mouth, and this one I'm using is the triple mouth, or how do I call it? So manage my oyinbo like that too. So you begin to lock it. Can you see how I'm locking it? So after, when you are done with the locking, you just go ahead and you apply the gel. If you have molding gel, fine. And if you're using this particular one, Kaima, that I'm using, it's still the same thing. You arrive the same, you get the same results. So you lock it very well. You use your palm to lock it. Can you see? So now when you are done with the locking, I'm still coming to the tip to show you what you're going to do to the tip to make it look more natural. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section if you guys love this video, and if you guys enjoy watching this video and you really know that you have learned something different. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section. Share to your friends and family. So you're also contributing to the growth of the channel by sharing it to others. Yeah, can you see, guys? So make sure you tie it very well, and don't make it too tight. Like, it's always good to tie it very well when you are locking natural dread, because since you are not adding any extension to it, so that the dread will come out well, and it will take long before your client will relock the roots again. Can you see, guys? So now I'm done. I'm so sorry, I did the remaining one off camera. So I'm done. This particular one, I'm almost done. This is the front part. You just go ahead and you section it. And if you don't want to do it in a parting way, you can just do it all back. Like this, my client's hair, her hair is very short, and I want something that after dreading the hair, I'll be able to style it, because her hair is very short. It's not long. So I decided to do it this way, box braid, and in center part. Can you see? So you secure one part and you begin to work on the other one, and I'm done. This is the last one here that I want to dread. Can you see, guys? Just take your time, and you guys will love the outcome of this lovely tutorial. Can you see, guys? So after applying the gel, you roll it with your hand, then you use your crochet pin to lock the roots. Can you see, guys? Make sure you lock it very well, and don't make it too bulky. Make sure the locking is free from the roots. Don't make it too bulky. Yeah, when you're done, you also use your take home. After that, you now use your crochet pin. Can you see the one I'm using? Just take your time. If you are using this crochet pin for the first time, you find it difficult, but just keep using it. You guys will get used to it. Can you see, guys? So you're not bringing it out. It's looking as if you are bringing it out. As you are locking it, you're using your other hand just to twist it. Then it will blend together. Can you see? So this is how you lock natural dread. You do the same thing if you are locking long natural hair too. And if you are locking short natural hair, this one is permanent locking. It's not something you lock today and you say tomorrow you want to lose it back. So if you want to lose it back, there's a way you lock it, but this one is permanent locking. Can you see, guys? So when you are done, you go ahead and you begin to trim the tips just to make it more natural. Can you see what I'm doing? So you trim the excess one at the tip away. So after trimming it, you go ahead and you apply your mousse. The mousse is extra hold. You apply the mousse to the hair, After applying the mousse, can you see? So if you're trying to apply the mousse, make sure you shake it so that the foam part will come out, and that's the best way to use the mousse. So you don't just press it. If not, it will come out watery. Just shake it very well, then you press. So after applying it, you now begin to lock the hair all together, taking it small small. You lock it just for the mousse to blend with the dread. After that, you can go ahead and you style the hair if necessary. So this particular one, my client wants it styled, so I'm trying to style the hair. As you can see, her hair is very short. It really take me some time to style it because the hair is very short, so I find it difficult, a little bit difficult to style it, because the style, a kind of style that she wants is style that will come to the front. So I didn't mean the style is going to the back, it will be more easier for me, but this particular one is coming to one side at the front, so it really take me like 20 minutes to style the hair. Can you see, guys? So it's not a must you style it this way. You can go ahead and style it anyhow you want it, but this particular one, this is how my client wants it. And this is the final look of the dread. Oh my god, it's looking so guys, this is the final look of the dread. Let me know in the comment section if you guys love watching this video, and if this video is helpful to you guys, please go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Share to your friends and family. My client is in love with this dread. She loved the dread. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next video. Please, if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to upload your request. Thank you so much. Happy New Year in advance to you all. Bye bye. I love you.